So we got a C major 9 with an added 13th. And then we do an outline of a C major 7 chord. So it's a little polyphonic melody line in between both hands. And this takes us to a B augmented 7 with a sharp 9, but we're doing it as a tritone. So that's the chord without the root note. B takes you to E minor. So we got an E minor 9. Then we're going to outline a C major 6 chord. And this takes us to a B flat 13. D minor 9 right here. And D minor 9 goes to G 13 with a flat 9. And back to your C major 9.